Hello from Simbrix. After playing with my children and their favourite melty bead, I could see how much they love creating, but a little nudge or a little bump would cause their designs to fall apart completely. 400 prototypes, 1,000 customer tests led to Simbrix. They simply connect together without any water, without any glue, without any frustrations. Our aim is to create beautiful art craft toys that encourage creative thinking, need very few instructions and allow for fantastic play experiences. Before we launched on Kickstarter, now we have fans all over the world. We started with connecting bricks, and that's just the beginning of our journey. And we love to see the designs all of our friends make from all over the world. We hope you love Simbrix as much as we do. Join our journey to connect and wow.